got him. That's a nice spade fish. Whoa, there you go. Look at this, folks. Congratulations, bud.
Yep.
Is that your first spade fish?
He's my second.
Your second?
Yeah.
Excellent. Hold him up. Look at that. You got him? Very good. Wow, he's a beauty. He is a beauty. There you go. Oh, man. We caught some wonderful fish today. Some wahoo, yellowfish, and dolphins. And the fish we're catching out here is 35 to 45. It's a yellowfin. What do you think,
Hi, I'm Jim Baugh. Today we'll take you on 2 offshore trips on board the Jill Carrie, and we'll show you how to catch all the spade fish, tilefish, and sea bass that you ever want to catch. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. We would like to invite everyone to come fish with us. Log on today to receive your free copy of the new Hampton Roads Fishing Guide and the Hampton, Virginia Travel Guide. To order your free copies, just log on to www.jimbaugoutdoors.com and click the fishing guide link. Or call toll-free 800-800-2202. That's 800-800-2202. We'll see you on the water. This presentation of Jim Baugh Outdoors television program is brought to you by Suzuki, world leader in fuel-injected 4-stroke outboard engines. For a dealer nearest you, just call 1-800-247-4701 or log on to www.suzukimarine.com. Jill Carrie with Captain Jim Brinsfield. How you doing, Captain Jim?
All right.
Now, you didn't tell me we were going to have some sushi today. I love clams. How did you know?
Well, I was hoping we'd have some bait to fish with, but I was a little worried about people eating them.
Y'all remember Captain Jim? We do the deep dropping offshore, the big tilefish, sea bass. What else do we catch out there?
Catch some grouper, some lingcod, haddock.
That's right. And I know one thing that we did not catch a lot of, and that was sleep. Let me tell you, that's when you leave like 1 in the morning, you come back, like next week or something. But anyway, it's a great trip. Now, a little thing different today is we've got really a chop here, don't we? We've got some little bit of rough weather conditions.
Yeah.
Normally, you come out to the tower, it's a slick glass, and the reason for that is I never leave the dock unless it's a fishing pond anyway. I like calm weather days. But have you ever fished out here on the chop like this for spade fish?
No, it's going to slow the fishing, but we're hoping it'll settle down a little bit. We've just arrived here, and basically, if you get close to the structure, you hope the fish get under the boat, you wait for a bite.
Right.
It's a lot of waiting game here right now, but I think we'll be fine. As the tide and wind changes, we ought to swing in a little closer to the structure.
Okay. Well, we got clams. Again, our bait today, which we always fish with, is just chopped clams, and we throw the shell over for chums. Basically, all we do.
Just toss the shells over, take the meat of the clam out, cut them into little pieces. You don't want big pieces because the fish will just steal them from you.
Right.
We use real small hooks. That's about the size piece you want.
What size hooks you use?
Let me get them. These are the size hooks we're using. It doesn't really matter what brand or anything, but
as long as they're red and small.
Small, right. The key is small. The fish, once we catch one here, you'll be able to see that the fish's mouth is very small. So you have to have a small hook to get inside of it there. These have a real sharp point on them too. The spade fish like to suck the clams off and steal your bait. So unless you want to spend a fortune on clams, you want a real sharp hook. This stuff here on the inside of the clam that isn't meat, it's not really good enough to put on the hook. So what you end up doing is just chopping it up and throwing it overboard for chum, trying to get the fish under the boat.
Now you're not using chum bags today, are you?
No. I found that just the little pieces do enough. I think they like the shade and the structure of the boat.
Right.
You know, and I'm not saying chum doesn't help you, but we haven't had a problem as long as we can get near the structure by, you know, just throwing these shells in little pieces overboard, and then the baits themselves will attract fish, along with the structure and the shade of the boat and the structure of the tower itself.
Well, the best time probably is late May, end of June. How long will you spade fish down here?
Until they quit biting.
Until they quit biting.
They'll spread out off this tower as it gets warmer. You know, they'll get
Yeah.
on other wrecks and they won't be so concentrated. And but when they first get here, they seem to be real tight to the tower. With the cool spring we've had, I think that maybe they're just a little bit longer to the tower than normal.
Well, the one great thing about coming out here, and you can go to our website, get all information about Captain Jim, but right here at the Chesapeake Light Tower, there's a whole reef structures around here. This whole area has got about 200 or 300 sunken structures. We've got a lot of the GPS numbers right on our website. So you come out here on a nice summer day, not only fish, if you see all the boats at the tower, it's fine to try to fish the tower, but well, we got numbers for just, again, about 200 or 300 wrecks that are all right here within like 100 to 500 yards right off of the tower. It's absolutely amazing. We are also on the deployment of the sinking of the Redbirds, and we have those numbers, which actually train cars. So spade fish will also hang on top of those structures. So for sea bass and target and spade fishing, come out here on a nice July day, you can work the whole area. It's just like a Disneyland for fishing, this whole Chesapeake Light area.
Yeah, definitely bring some squid with you.
Yeah.
Maybe some cut mackerel and some fish bites. Yeah, because the bottom fishing can be real good here at times when you get on other pieces of structure. Right here around the tower, there's not a whole lot. You get right up on the legs, you can catch some sea bass and togs right up on the legs. But like you said, all around here are different types of structure. They got a reef over here.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of different stuff that these fish will hang
a
on.
whole lot of stuff. Well, this is kind of like our annual thing. Our spade fish trip every year kind of kicks off our shooting season in May and June. And what will be your next big thing? After the spade fish die out, what's your next big push for chartering?
Well, the cobia are starting to push in now. Some boats are catching a fish or two here and there, and we're looking to try that. And then after that, we're going to try the sword fishing thing, which is off the coast a little bit.
Okay.
And we're hoping to target some tuna, maybe some mahi-mahi and some
Okay.
wahoo.
And maybe we might hook up on some drum.
We're
We
looking
talked
to
about
do that,
trying to do a little drum
We
fishing.
just haven't been able to get that one together yet.
All right, good deal. There you go. First spade fish of the day. Congratulations, bud.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You going to take him home and flay him up, aren't you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you have any dinner guests yet? Are you looking for some?
Oh, you know you're more than welcome.
Folks, this is spade fish. First one on Jill Carrie today, and they are beautiful. Really pretty fish. Just amazing how hard they fight. Can you believe they fight as hard as they do for the size? They're like a brim on steroids, aren't they?
They're mean.
They are mean. Wow. Excellent. Yeah, hold him up. Just gorgeous. Just here, pound fluorocarbon. That's on all the leader. There he is. Look at him. Look at that beautiful spade fish. You want me to net? Oh, you got him, Larry? I'm trying to help Nate today. I'm going to give all my tips to Larry.
There you go.
What a beautiful fish. Little birdie's not too bad. There you go. All right. Let's see what we got. About the same size as the other? Man. Very nice. Do y'all do fish cleaning here on board? Do y'all offer those services?
Yes, sir.
You do?
I'm having another.
I'll get the next one. You got him. What a nice spade fish. Whoa, there you go. Look at this, folks. Congratulations, bud. Is that your first spade fish? Your second? Yeah. Excellent. Hold him up. Look at that. You got it? Very good. Wow, he's a beauty. He is a beauty. There you go. Oh, man. Hey, we're going to get that. It's just beautiful. All right. First mate assistant is here. You got him? I'll see him. Have you got another? You got another line there, I believe. Yeah. Up one of his. There we go. All right. Another spade fish. What do you think, Larry?
I think it's a good job, Jim. You did an excellent job.
Boy, that is nice. Here's some beautiful spade fish. Here, hold that one up, Larry. Show the camera on that one. That is very pretty. Gonna be some good eating tonight. We got some good spade fish recipes for these things too. Let me tell you. Tastes a little bit like triggerfish, a little milder. Very good. I'm accepting no tips. All of my donations go to Larry.
Go to Larry.
Right.
Y'all planned that, right?
What, he didn't hit that hard, did he? But he just really took off when he got up to the boat.
I didn't realize I had him on.
Oh, he's back up top. You got it?
Yes. Not up yet.
Oh, he's starting to get a little upset now.
You saw the boat. They're happy.
Right.
Pretty good. Yeah. Give you a little more light.
Beautiful spade. Congratulations, bud.
Thank you.
Is this your first spade fish trip? First one? It's great, isn't it?
Awesome.
What a gorgeous fish.
Hanging around the side.
That ruler?
Okay. You want the fish?
There you go.
Good one. Easy.
Over there.
Looks like a couple.
And that's a wrap. That's it for today. Look at this. Ended up with the biggest fish in the day. What do you think, Larry? Come here and grab that thing, buddy.
Oh, that's a pretty good fish there.
Pretty
No doubt
fish?
about it,
You got
yeah.
some pliers?
Oh yeah.
Good job. We got, oh, there he
Don't
is.
even need them.
We got about 4 fish on at a time right now. That's spade fishing right here on board the Jill Carrie. Larry, thanks, buddy.
Hey, no problem.
Been a great day. Congratulations. That's your fish, bud.
Thank you.
Look at that.
We would like to invite everyone to come fish with us. Log on today to receive your free copy of the new Hampton Roads Fishing Guide and the Hampton, Virginia Travel Guide. To order your free copies, just log on to www.jimboyoutdoors.com and click the fishing guide link. Or call toll-free 800-800-2202. That's 800-800-2202. We'll see you on the water. This presentation of Jim Boy Outdoors television program is brought to you by Suzuki, world leader in fuel-injected four-stroke outboard engines. For a dealer nearest you, just call 1-800-247-4701 or log on to www.suzukimarine.com. Well, February is the time that I head down to visit my friends at the Suzuki booth at the Miami International Boat Show. This is when we feature new product for the year and get a chance to meet a lot of our fans. Usually we do some great fishing in the Florida Keys while we stay in Miami. However, this particular week, the offshore bite off the Mid-Atlantic was red hot. So I sent my two cameramen, Mike and Sean, to hop aboard the Jill Carrie with Captain Jim Brinsfield for some offshore tile and sea bass action. This catch has got to be seen to be believed. What a fantastic day of offshore fishing. Simply the best.
Look at that. Sweet. Woo! I'm on my way.
That one's free. Here's the one that just came off.
I love one over here.
Let me get this big one over here.
All right.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my.
That's reverse for yeehaw.
Woo! Another double.
Excuse me, buddy. I'm sorry.
That's fishing at its best. Need gloves or anything?
Yeah, well, they got some teeth in there.
Hold them up, big guy.
Got another double. Good one. Picture of it.
That's pretty. That's pretty. Aren't they pretty?
All right.
Oh, yeah.
I got one coming out too.
Get it off here.
I'd like to see that. All right. Mike, Mike.
For more information and to order your free Hampton Roads Fishing Guide and Hampton, Virginia Travel Guide, just log on to www.jimbyoutdoors.com or call toll-free 800-800-2202. That's 800-800-2202. This presentation of Jim By Outdoors television program is brought to you by Suzuki, world leader in fuel-injected 4-stroke outboard engines. For a dealer nearest you, just call 1-800-247-4701 or log on to www.suzukimarine.com.